Southeast Asia, where innovation meets excellence. A digital revolution is about to unfold. A nation brimming with creativity and opportunities, where tech startups and skilled professionals come together to turn dreams into reality. Introducing the Malaysia Digital Expo, or MDX, an electrifying celebration of Malaysia's booming digital economy. Get ready for a thrilling journey into the realm of digital possibilities. MDX is spearheaded by MDEC and is a pivotal initiative under Malaysia Digital to position Malaysia as the digital leader in the ASEAN region, catalyzing digital adoption in various sectors via Pemangkin. The country's remarkable digital transformation has enabled us to push ahead of the competition and reach new markets. MDX prioritizes sustainability and embraces technology to foster groundbreaking solutions that unleash even greater economic potential. MDX hosts a series of cutting-edge conferences, workshops, exhibitions, and networking sessions, culminating with the prestigious Grand Finale and exclusive industry awards through MDX Awards Night. Distinguished speakers and panelists from local and international organizations convene to chart the course for a tech-driven future. Experience this incredible journey as we shape the digital landscape and open pathways to a more connected world. Together, let's create a future of limitless possibilities. Welcome to the Malaysia Digital Expo 2023.